Okay, I got these things all blasted. They're not as rusty, but you can see there's a bunch of, I don't know, sharp edges, we'll call them, just from being beat over time. So I'm gonna go through with a, like a flapper disc, basically, grinding wheel, whatever, and knock all this down so it's smooth, because you don't want to have any sharp edges. When you powder coat, you want to avoid sharp edges as much as possible, because you'll get edge pull, and that'll be the first area that starts rusting if it's going to end up rusting. Okay, got our Red Baron loaded up. Red Baron's is like a fire engine red. Pretty common powder. Spraying at 40 kV, I think we're at like 5 PSI right now. I'm gonna start throwing down powder on all the parts that are not primed. Primed some of the smaller parts, but I just realized that I totally forgot to record any of that. So we'll get to those in a minute. And these have some areas down inside of them that are going to be hard to get powder in. These are painted after they're welded normally, so it's not like the paint down there was good anyway, but some areas that you're not going to be able to get powder into effectively, at least, or I'm not going to be able to. Hopefully most of you guys don't have to do stuff like this, because these projects are never very fun. Guess that's why it's in this video of things that I never do. Oh, and I totally just goofed. I re-blasted part of this and I pulled the plug kit out. So just get the powder out of those threads. Grab 2 of these plugs from High Temp Masking Supply, of course. Forget to like, or, well, if we get to comment on this video, you should also like it. I'm trying to get a video with 200 likes, so if you guys are down to help me with that, that'd be awesome as well. There we go. Throw this one in the oven and grab the next one. Yeah, you guys have been killing it on the comments lately. I mean, I know most of that's driven by the giveaway that we're doing for the High Temp Masking Supply 502-piece plug kit. But you guys have been saying lots of awesome things, so I guess it's nice to read all that stuff no matter what. Trying to get this to run down, not run down, but go down into these spaces where it's never really going to go. All right. We got 2 of these plates. Probably just use a flat tip on these, but just keep using the fan tip for now. It's thick enough, I'm not really too worried about coverage. Especially when it goes that well. Got reached out to, that sounds like a weird, I don't know what that means, by a couple different companies, also looking to do some giveaway stuff. So I think I have like 5 different giveaways that I'm going to be doing. I'm going to run 3 of them at the same time though, so I have I guess not more chances to win, just a better chance of winning maybe is the best way of saying it. Okay, we got these things primed. Just trying to hide some of the pitting from the rust. I think only this piece is actually visible. I think this all sits underneath something, but I don't know. I'm not an alignment guy, so. Running this down, back down to 40 kV. Got the extended tip on. Still running a little over 5 PSI now. It's closer to like 7 or 8. Pull these high temp masking supply plugs out. I've had a couple people ask me about pulling plugs versus not pulling plugs before and after cure, or before cure, I guess, or pulling them while it's still warm. If you're gonna wait till you've cured it, pull them when it's still warm for sure. Like I try to pull them right out of the oven, just grab them with some pliers if I have to. Gotta have the plug fall out of this one when I took it out of the oven. It's kind of a weird size. Well, it's a very, not a weird size, it's a very shallow hole. So it doesn't end up going very deep into it. Which when the air behind it heats up a little bit, it tends to pop it out if that's the case. Okay, this one done, just got 2 plates left. I don't know when this video is going to come out. I know I plan to do like 7 days of video right in a row, but this one is kind of reliant on some other stuff happening, or this video coming out, because like I said, it's doing a bunch of projects that I don't normally do. This last one. There we go. Get these in the oven, get them curing. Got these things all done. I mean, they're far from perfect, obviously, just with how pitted and messed up they were, but they're significantly better. Decent gloss level now. They're all nice and protected again, won't be all rusty. And it sounds like they're actually bringing in some other parts for these as well, so I guess look forward to seeing more of these.
what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. We can do nothing at all. So what? If you're stupid, then you know there's nothing wrong. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love.
If you found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one, yeah, yeah.
Listen closely, I'm not gonna shout. I've tried being humble, it's just not working out.